Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Akshita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel below. It would mean the absolute world to me. So, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can curl your hair using a straightener. It is really simple and it gives really nice curls. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Yeah, we will wait for it to get hot. Once it's hot, we will take a section of the hair. Make sure you don't take too thick. You have to twist the straightener like this and move it down. Can you see that? It just gives you a really nice loose curl. So, let me show it to you once again. I'm going to take a section of my hair, move it little down, twist it, and then drag it down. You might take a little practice to do this. But once your hands are set, it will seem so easy. Make sure you don't put the hair straightener too long in your hair, as it can burn your hair. Can you see how nice it looks and just so effort free? So I will do this to all of my hair. I will fast forward for it, you guys. So let's start. Also, if you are under routine, I would recommend you do it under the supervision of your mom or your sister, as you don't want to burn your hair. So once I'm done with the bottom part, I will just take a clutcher and gently tie it up. Make sure you don't put it too tight. You need to loosely put it up and open rest of your hair. And I will start by taking small portions. So once I'm done with the bottom, with the top part as well, I will just untie that clutcher. I will scrunch it up a little and just check if any of the strands is left here and there. For example, this part right here, I can see it's not curled properly, so I like to go over it once again. And yeah, it's done. Once you're done with all the hair, you can use a hairspray to set it up. But since I'm not going anywhere out, obviously, so I will leave it like that, as hairspray definitely does damage to your hair. So that is how my hair look like. So it's done, and the best part about this hairstyle is that it takes really less time. It is so quick and it just gives you such an effortless look. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.